Hello and assalamu alaikum my beautiful viewers. Today we are making loaded pizza fries. This recipe is enough for a family of 5, but before that, let's have a look at that epic cheese pull. Cheese pull. Look at that. Look at that. See what I mean? It's absolutely addictive. You've got to try this. Seriously, once you try this, you will be hooked with this recipe. You are going to be making it again and again and again and again, as I do. Yes, I do know it's lots of cheese, but it's okay to sometimes spoil yourself. My mouth is even watering while doing a voiceover, but trust me, it is absolutely delicious and best way to use your leftovers. time to taste. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Delicious. I mean, sometimes it's okay to spoil yourself. Look at that. You don't need to buy any pizza anymore. Once you try this, trust me, you will be addicted. And there you go, that cheese pull. Iconic cheese pull. अपनी दुआओं में याद रखिएगा, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. फ्री है, पैसे नहीं लगते. हाफिज़.